Friends, not only are things like the planets and solar system present in the universe, but we also do not know how many new things are flourishing here and how many are moving towards destruction. In this sky full of comets and meteorites, there are some things which lie in a dead state and absorb other components around them. You must have heard about one of them. It is a giant of the universe that has kept many secrets. Let's watch a video in which we will share some exciting facts. Seeing and listening to it, you will subscribe to our channel without a doubt. Just stay with us until the end of the video, and if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, then please do so. A black hole is a place where the laws of physics do not work, and there is no value of time or space inside it. It is only a world full of fierce gravity and darkness, which pulls everything inward. There is no way to escape it. It is one way. Pierre Simon, a French scientist, describes it as a body present in the universe whose gravitational force is so tremendous that even light cannot cross it. A black hole swallows everything that passes through it. If a person enters inside a black hole, or a black hole pulls him towards itself, then he will not die, but he will go to another world from where it is impossible to come back. But there will be no value of time for him. Some scientists believe that his body will be divided into pieces in a single blow. For any star or planet to turn into a black hole, its density and mass are both crucial components. Anything in the universe should be compressed so much that its gravitational force is greater than the density. If the compression reaches an extreme level, then it will convert into a black hole. If the Sun, which is 1.3 million times larger than the Earth, has to be converted into a black hole, then it will have to be compressed as much as a pea grain. Consider the compression required for our Earth to turn into a black hole. The gravity would increase so much that it would pull many planets around it, including the Moon. However, both the Earth and the Sun cannot convert into black holes because their mass is not enough. The great scientist Stephen Hawking explains that the sphere of influence of a black hole means the point where the black hole pulls everything inside itself. That effect is called random horizon. According to Stephen Hawking's discovery, there comes a day when the black hole also becomes completely mass-free and disappears into space. When you light a torch, the light coming out of it gets reflected back towards you, and then you see illuminated things. But if this light disappears somewhere in the air, or there is no means of its reflection available, then it will be understood that the black hole has swallowed this light. After endless exploration of the universe, humans have discovered many black holes. A huge black hole is present in the middle of our galaxy, which can contain 42 lakh suns inside itself. It is also said that the galaxy and black holes originated together. Scientists have recently discovered a black hole at a distance of 131 billion light-years, which is the reason for the wind running between the galaxies. The origin of the universe was after the Big Bang, which occurred about 1,400 million years ago. Some black holes are also believed to have originated in the same time period. Earth is also moving towards the black hole located in the middle of the galaxy. The origin of the universe was after the Big Bang, which occurred around 14 billion years ago, and some black holes are also believed to have originated around that time. Due to the movement of Earth, it will also be affected by the black hole located at the center of our galaxy. The origin of a black hole can only be from a big star. Every star has a certain lifespan, and when that star exhausts its fuel, or there is too much pressure on it, it starts to shrink inside itself. As a result, its gravitational force becomes extremely strong, crossing its limits, and it collapses into a black hole. Let's discuss how stars are formed. Stars are formed by the condensation of dust and gas present in the galaxy. These large clouds of gas, called nebulae, contain mostly hydrogen and helium particles. Due to the winds moving in the galaxy, the density of a nebula starts to increase, and eventually, hydrogen and helium particles collide with each other, forming many nuclei. After millions of years, these nuclei compress and form a star. The hydrogen present in the star generates heat, which keeps it balanced. However, when the hydrogen runs out, the source of heat ends, and the star begins to cool down and compress itself to remain in existence. Depending on the size, a giant star cannot handle this and explodes, destroying itself, but its gravitational force remains. A part of the star's remains may be dense enough to become a neutron star. However, if it exerts such a strong gravitational pull that it continues to contract, and after reaching a critical limit, both its space and time end, it becomes invisible. Such invisible bodies are known as black holes. In the theory of relativity, it is said that time is relative and is affected by physical components. Therefore, the flow of time is different in different places of the universe. Black holes may seem strange, but they exist in the universe. Supermassive black holes exist in the center of our galaxy and exert their gravitational influence on the nearest celestial bodies around them. Although black holes become invisible after absorbing everything in their vicinity, they still exert their gravitational influence on nearby celestial bodies. This makes it possible for scientists to detect their presence. The end of a star is considered the beginning of a new black hole. The formation of most black holes begins with the end of a large star, while smaller stars produce neutron stars. In space, even if something ends, it still produces a gravitational force. If this force is strong enough, it can result in the formation of a black hole. Otherwise, it just turns into a gas cloud. The universe is full of creation, destruction, and transformation. Black holes are a reminder of this third existence, which swallows created things and transforms itself into energy even after destruction. This gives science a new meaning. We hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.